Hello, my name is Erik Vasquez and I am a student physical therapist assistant. Today I will be teaching you the proper body mechanics for lifting, pushing, pulling, and reaching with the assistance of Jaden. While working with your patient, it is key to remember to wash your hands thoroughly and to wear your protective wear to protect yourself against bacteria. While washing your hands when you're going to work with your patients, make sure you do it for a good 30 seconds. Make sure you wash under the fingernails, thoroughly through your fingers, the top of your hand, your wrists. You want to be as clean as possible for your patients. Make sure you get each finger. Today we'll be showing Jaden how to use the proper body mechanics while lifting, pushing, pulling, and reaching, whether the object be heavy or light. This video is very important to help you prevent yourself from injury. By using proper body mechanics, you can use them either at home or at work. The patient should always perform a lift test before performing the lift to test if the object is too heavy to lift by themselves. Always make sure to ask for assistance if needed. Remember not to bend at the waist to lift the object, putting stress on your back and spine. Approach the object, keeping your feet shoulder width apart or staggered, keeping a good center of gravity. Approach the object, keeping your feet apart and your feet in a staggered position. I will first demonstrate the proper body mechanics for the squat. After hinging your body forward, you will then keep your spine in alignment and lower yourself to the ground at the knees, keeping your spine in alignment. Once you approach the object with the correct stance, you're going to want to hinge your body forward and bend at the knees as you go into a squat. Lower yourself closer to the object, bringing it close to your body and using your legs to lift yourself and the object up into the air. Once your body is over the object, lower yourself to the ground in a squat and lifting with your legs. Once the patient has approached the object, the patient can lower themselves by performing a squat to lift the object with their legs. If patient needs to turn, use your feet to turn your body, not your spine, causing damage by twisting the spine. For picking up light objects off the floor, you're going to want to perform the golfer tee lift. With one hand placed on a secure surface, you're going to place one foot and lift the other off the ground, setting a counterbalance, taking off pressure off of your spine. As you stand back up, you're then able to put the object back on the countertop. The concept in pushing and pulling can also have effect on the damage to your spine. So stay as close to the load as possible. Push the object rather than pulling when possible. For reaching, When you are placing an object on a high shelf, you're going to want to keep the object as close to your body as possible. You're going to want to put your body or position yourself as close to the shelf as possible. Therefore, you won't have to reach.